How to make your coin tradable so people can buy and sell? There are two ways. First one is centralized way, and second one is decentralized. Centralized, you probably know already. You have to apply for listings by Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, and so on. This is a bit complicated and there are some requirements to be met. Second one is decentralized. Decentralized doesn't require you to sign any paper, doesn't require you anything, just except clicking the buttons. So the one way is the one of the apps is Uniswap app. You can go here and go to the uniswap.org. Or there is also SushiSwap. There is also tons of other decentralized exchanges. But Uniswap is the biggest one and the universal one right now. So you go to Uniswap, then you have to do is you go to the app itself. You will see here you can swap anything to anything. For example, Ethereum to 1inch. Okay, no problem. And how you can swap Ethereum to your token, right? You have to make it swappable so people can buy and also sell. And honeypots don't allow you to sell actually. So the way you go is you have to go to the pool. So each uh, each thing is consists of pools, each token, each swap and stuff. So you have to click on the pools here on the app. So once you go there, you'll see this thing, pools. So here it's a bit complicated for the beginner. So you have to go here and choose more and then go to the V2 liquidity because it's more easier for beginners, the old version. All right. So how does pool work? So pool works like this. There is Ethereum and there is your token. Think of dollars and Mexican pesos, for example. You put there is a magic box. You put dollars, and it gives you pesos. The more dollars you give, the less pesos it gives because there is a limited amount of pesos, right? And dollars are too much. It needs to slow down. Like the demand for pesos too high, the supply of dollars is too much. So, or vice versa. You give pesos, it gives dollars. There has to be a balance always. Okay, so people don't just buy a bunch of pesos. No, people buy pesos. Some guys buy dollars. Okay, they swap the magic box, and the box more liquidity, the more dollars and pesos it has, the more operations and volumes it has. Right? Logical. So this is the same thing. You put Ethereum and your token. You deposit to this Uniswap app. Then the more Ethereum you give, the less and less tokens it give. I mean, it will give tokens, your tokens, but it will try to stay balanced. And the more people try to sell your tokens, the less and less Ethereum it will try to give. So the pool doesn't get drained. Okay, and some honeypots don't allow you to sell. Just keep in mind. So you don't fall for honeypots, right? So this is the same logic, and it's all automated. So there has to there in Binance, there is one person trades, puts sell order and buy order, somebody puts sell order. No, this is automated. It's by formula, mathematical. And this is called automated market maker. So you just have to create here, create pair, and that's it. You have to just choose your token. For example, Bepe, and let's say I put 0.1. So that's it. So you have to keep in mind as logical that the more liquidity you put, the less price divergence, right? The less liquidity you put, the more price jumps, whether it's pump or dump. Okay, and also one thing to keep in mind that uh, the dev controls the liquidity. They can pull out the liquidity anytime. So you know you have to trust the dev at some point. Okay, because you might buy these tokens and dev might just pull out without selling the tokens, just pulling out the liquidity. So it's not tradable. And also, it doesn't matter if you hold $1 billion worth of tokens if the liquidity is just $10 or $1,000, because liquidity is everything. Without liquidity, you cannot sell and buy, right? That's the thing. Here, you can just put Ethereum or USDC, whatever you want. Most people choose Ethereum, but you can choose USDC so people can swap your token to USDC, and stuff. But yeah, just be careful. It's all um, I mean, it's all you have to manage your liquidity, calculate everything, and Yeah, basically just people have to also trust you, so you don't pull out your liquidity, and you have to trust some other people that they don't pull out their liquidity. By the way, you can ask any questions in the comments or DM me, or I have also the server, community setup server, so you can discuss anything. You can see my trades, you can see my basically products, and you can, yeah, see the signals right here. And yeah, basically everything is set up, just a friendly community. You can discuss anything, ask me anything there. You can jump on the call with me just quickly, in this general voice channel. So looking forward to see you.